riding on a skateboard. Michael got a skateboard. Angel got a skateboard. I got a skateboard.
So you guys gotta see my skateboard. This is all messed up.
His is all messed up for grinding. Michael's is barely brand new. Mine is grinding. Mine is grinding a little bit.
We never made a
video. Hey, hey, hey! On the sidewalk! He's barely learning how. Yeah. Okay, ready? Hey, hey. Why don't we go, look. Why don't we go down and then go turn and come up? So it can be more smoother. So it can be more smoother.
on the sidewalk?
Yeah, right here. Go. Yours can ride on dirt because it's more easier.
Oh.
Go, I know.
I didn't turn fast enough.
Okay, that's his board. Go. So, Michael, don't go first because... Okay, you want to go first? Yeah, that's fine. Go on, second. Be careful. Yeah, it's actually fun. Actually hanging ourselves so we can go more faster. Go! Beep beep!
No, you just go. I'm going last.
Where you go?
I'm going last.
Where you go?
Because, I'll catch up to you.
Okay. You're going last. Sure! Oh, dang it, you put water!
You can't go in water, remember?
Woo!
No!
You're gonna go in water! Oh, you made it!
No, you're not supposed to. Very slower.
Oh, yeah! No, but his is more bigger. So wipe it on here.
It goes slower.
Yeah.
I was thinking you guys knew that already, so I put water. Wait, nope.
No, I already forgot about it.
Yeah. I don't know anything, so.
Yeah. Go, Angel.
Okay.
You're actually catching up to us. Ah, it's smart. Michael! Oh! Go. Oh! He's so close to me now. Over there.
Okay. I'd rather go on the street on downhill because I might crash into something.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Down here. Street. Off street. driving backwards while driving. Whoa! He's very slow. Dude, please call customer. I'm gonna go the same speed as Michael. Wanna feel how speedy he is. Bruh. We're actually going the same speed. Now he's going more faster than me. Ah, Michael, go! Hey, don't stop! Let's see where we go! Let's see where we go! It's not getting no more speedy. Let's see who goes.
I'll go ahead and pedal right now. And let's start from right here. We only have 5 pedals.
Yeah, only 5 pedals. Ready? Set. Okay. Get down. 5 pedals. 5 pedals only.
But we gotta turn that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
5 Ready.
pedals in 3, 2.
Wow. Oh, nice way to end the vlog here.
Angel, you said only 5 pedals.
I stopped right here.
Yeah, Steven, exactly the same. Stop by the back. You actually stopped by the what?
Van. Let's make a challenge.
I don't want to go with bumpy stuff because it slows you down.
Let's go through here.
Dude, I like this commander. I know, it makes you like faster. Yeah.
He's all the way over there. I got that on camera! Watch, guys. Flipping shot board. Oh, man. Oh, man. Flipping shot board. Hey, let's put our boards in them. Oh, wait, nah. Because... Go. Go. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh shit. Yeah, me too. I'm gonna sit on my board and not in this.
I want to clean my board.
You're clean?
No, my board is a little bit.
Oh, what was the freak?
Some mud.
That's mud?
Yeah, it's mud. Oh, it's not that easy. I want to hit my gun on my board. Mine has good stuff. Ready?
Oh no, you're gonna tip it.
Aiden chipped it.
Huh?
Aiden chipped his board.
Ain't no stop.
We're gonna chip it. Hey, look.
Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Bye.